Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the headlight bulb, turn signal bulb, and give you the size on the bulb on this Mazda 5 here. But if you have a Mazda 5 or 6, similar procedure, okay? So we have a headlight bulb, turn signal bulb, and then also we have a high beam over here, okay? So headlight bulb usually is a low beam, so that's the bulb over here, okay? And this is a high beam. So procedure is same for the opposite side, but I will show you right here how to change these three bulbs, okay? It's very simple. You can reach all three from right here. So all three, what you need to do is, this is a high beam. So all you do is you turn this counterclockwise and the bulb simply just comes out. But if you want before that, you can push on this tab here and remove the connector, okay? I'm gonna show you how to remove that connector in just about a second. So all you do is you push on this tab here and you pull back on the connector at the same time. It's hard to do with the one hand, but let me set up my camera. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so here we are with two hands now. So all you do is you push down on this right here and you pull. Sometimes they get stuck over time because of the gas. You see how dust came out? So this bulb size here is 9005, okay? So all you do is you take this bulb and we're gonna put it right back in just the way we took out. Okay, now we're gonna take our bulb here, again 9006, and all you do is you find the spots where the bulb sits properly and you turn it clockwise, okay? And then you take your connector, simply you're gonna connect it right back in and it should click. There you go, perfect. All right, so the procedure for this one is similar, okay? I'm not gonna be taking out the bulb from the connector, but same way. You push down on the tab and you remove the connector. So what you do is you turn this counterclockwise and the bulb comes out, and the bulb size here is, this looks like H11, so yes, H11. Again, you push down on this and the bulb comes out, you put a new bulb in, and you take this bulb and you find the perfect spot and it clicks right in. All right, so we have this last one all the way back there. Same thing, you're gonna turn counterclockwise. The bulb is gonna be different. It's gonna be something similar to the tail light, so even different than that. So this is a dual flare. Do not put a single flare bulb in here, okay? Because you will blow the fuse, okay? So with this one, all you do is you push down on the bulb itself and you turn it counterclockwise. Again, with the one hand, it's always difficult. Okay, I'm sorry. You turn it clockwise and the bulb should, at this moment, lift out of there. What's going on? Bulb, come out. Well, it's coming out. Okay, but I'm gonna need both of my hands, I believe so. So let me get my other hand ready. Let me mark the camera somewhere. Okay, so with this one, again, we turned it. Okay, yeah, it was counterclockwise. That was correct. Okay, so you turn it counterclockwise, okay? So make sure you get the correct bulb. The size here is, okay, 1157, dual flare bulb, okay? Notice one notch is lower to the end and the other one's higher, and it does have two contacts in the back. And make sure you look inside. One has to be all the way deep, one side, and the one that's deep, you have to use the one that's here, the one that's more closer to the edge, and you turn it, and now we're gonna take the bulb and put it back in. Okay, so all you do is you take this bulb back to its original spot. You're gonna have to just fish it, and you're gonna turn it back a little bit, and once you find the spot, you turn it clockwise. And that's how simple it is to change these bulbs in this Mazda 5 here. Same thing here, okay? You have high beam, you have low beam, and you have the turn signal bulb back there. All right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. We'll see you in the next one.